Abacus classes, making your child count. Please watch the video till last. Like and subscribe. Good evening, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Follow these rules at home as wash your hands properly and maintain social distancing. Our today's video is based on the revision video. In this video, we will revise the previous things. Kids, today this video is a revision video. In this video, I will explain you the things which I have explained you before. We will all revise the things which we have done before in our previous videos. So let's start. As you can see, in front of you, abacus tool is there. As I have told you before in my previous videos that the outer part of the abacus tool is called the frame. This outer part is called the frame. And this rod which is going from between this rod is called the bar. This is bar. And can you see clearly that this bar contains 5 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the beads which are up, can you see them? They are up. So they are called upper beads. And the beads which are down, see they are down. So they are called lower beads. Now students, do you remember that from which dot I have told you to do the calculation? Yes, very good. I have told you that in the abacus tool, 5 dots are there. And where is the mid dot of abacus? See this. This is the mid dot of abacus. See, mid dot. Mid dot means the center dot. And from this rod only we do our calculations. I have told you the value of this rod beads. This is the rod. यही वो rod है from where we do our calculations. जहाँ से हम अपने calculations start करते हैं. Now this is 1. This bead is 1. Students, as you are in 2nd class, I have told you about the beads in 1st class. If you remember, I have told you that this bead is 1 bead you have drawn also in your abacus books. Then this 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see students, normally the beads are always down. But if you have to add the bead, then you have to put the bead up. And if you have to minus the bead, you have to put the bead down. Up, down, up, down. If you have to add means you know. Yes, if you have to add, then you have to put the bead up. If I say add 1, then you will put this bead up 1. Then again set your abacus. If I say add 2, then 1, 2. Can you see? I am adding and I am doing the bead up. I have told you as the bead touches the beam, it attains a value. जैसे ही bead, देखिए अभी ये bead नीचे है, this bead is down. It has no value. But एज इट टचेज द बीम, जैसे ही हम इसे बीम से ऐसे टच करेंगे, इट अटेन्स अ वैल्यू, इसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी. अब इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? 1. आर यू गेटिंग इट किड्स? वेरी गुड. नाउ we will take our first sum. Now I have told you where you have to do the calculation. Yes, in this rod. Now students, first of all there is 1. See, any sign is there in front of 1? 1 के आगे कुछ है? No, nothing is there. So if nothing is there, this means plus is there. Means you have to plus this number. If, see, in front of 2 anything is there? 2 के आगे कुछ है? No, nothing is there in front of 2. So this means that you have to add 2. आपको 2 को add करना है. If I will write like this, your next sum. See, in front of 2 anything is there? No, this means you have to add 2. आपको 2 को add करना है. In front of this anything is there? No, this means you have to add this number. But in front of 3 you can see minus sign is there. Subtraction. So you have to subtract 3. This means that if no sign is there, means you have to add, and if minus is there, then you have to subtract. So let's start. First of all, we have to add 1. Now you have to start from which rod? You have to start from middle. See, 1. So 1 beat up. I have told you for add you have to put the beat up, and for minus you have to put the beat down. Now you have to add 2. See, in front of 2 no sign is there, means you have to add this number. You will add 2 like this. 1, 2. For add you have to do up, for minus down. Now again 1. Now in front of 1 any sign is there? No. This means you have to add 1. So add 1. Now count the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is your answer. Now set your abacus again. See, the first number is 2. In front of 2 no sign is there, means you have to add 2. Add 2. 1, 2. Then again you have to add 2. 1, 2. For add you have to do up. Now you have to minus 3. Minus 3 means subtract 3. So minus 3 means down. So 1, 2, 3. Now what is left out? 1. 1 is left out. So 1 is your answer. I hope you are getting it, students. Now next I will tell you about the next rod. This rod. As I have told you about this 1, 2, 3, 4, I will tell you about this also. In this this beat counts 10, 20, 30, 40. Just besides the mid rod, means just mid rod के side में this rod is there, and this rod is 10, 20, 30 and 40. इस बीट की वैल्यू होती है 10, 20, 30, 40. Now how we will do our calculations, I will tell you. See this. This is our sum. Now how we will do? See students, this first part, this goes in first rod, and the second line goes in second rod. फर्स्ट रॉड के नंबर्स फर्स्ट रॉड में जाते हैं, सेकंड रॉड के नंबर्स सेकंड रॉड में जाते हैं. फर्स्ट नंबर्स गोज टू फर्स्ट रॉड एंड सेकंड रो नंबर्स गोज टू सेकंड रॉड. Is it fine? Now we will see. Kids, see, the number is 0. 0 means nothing. So nothing we will do in this rod. First rod it is. Nothing we will do in this rod. Now your second number is 1. So this number will go in second rod 1. First number in first rod, second number in second rod. It's very easy. Now again number is 0. 0 means nothing, so nothing in this rod, first rod. Your second number is 2, so 2 in second rod. 1, 2. Now again 0 in first rod, nothing. 1 in second rod. 1. Now what is your answer? See, you have to count both the rods. Because you are doing the sum in both the rods. आप दोनों rods में sum कर रहे हैं. So आपको दोनों rods को count करना है. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is there. Nothing is there. Up means 0. So answer is 40. Again we will do one more sum. 30 minus 20 and again 30. See, now set your abacus again. Now as I have told you, no sign is there means add, and if minus sign is there means subtract. Now as you can see, your first number is 0. Now your 0 will go in first rod. 0 means nothing. Now 3 will go in second rod and no sign means add. This means you have to add 3. Add means up. 1, 2, 3. You can now minus 20. Now your first number you have to minus. Minus 0. 0 means nothing, so nothing you have to do. Second number is minus 2. Minus 2 means you have to minus the 2, means subtract. Minus means down, so 1, 2. 0 is there, means nothing you have to add. Second number is 3. 3 you have to add. 3 in second row. This is first rod, this is second rod. Second rod you have to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what is your answer? See, in this rod it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this rod nothing means 0. In these questions you are using only this rod. But in the double questions you are using 2 rods. The first line for first rod, second line for second rod. First line for first rod, second line for second rod. I hope you understand this method and these sums, students. With this revision video, I am sending you one PDF. In that sums are there which is related to this revision video. Please do those sums in your Abacus Fair notebook. Now you have to make one Abacus Fair notebook in which you will do your sums. From now onwards, whatever work will be there, you have to do in that Abacus Fair notebook. Kids, practice the given sums at home. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results. Thank you.